I'm gonna be honest, there's no video this week. I mean, there is, that's what you're watching, but not the usual content. Every week the videos keep changing from what is usual, but let me explain why there's no video this week. Well, I'm very busy. That's why. There's no other reason. No, I'm just kidding. I've been working on some other stuff, working on some bigger projects. This week all we did was rebrand. We wanted to make sure that we can find the channel name on YouTube, which has been a struggle for like the past 7 weeks, because you type in Vinci and you can't find anything. You can't even find it in the channels, even if you're subscribed, which is the most annoying thing. So we changed the channel name. It is now VINCIV, not VINCIV. I wanted to keep Vinci, but I couldn't, and I didn't want to put Da Vinci in front. And we have now a TikTok, because apparently that's how you make it big now. You gotta get on TikTok. So we have a TikTok. If you didn't come from TikTok, make sure to go check our TikTok. We will be posting more stuff there, I think. I hope. I mean, I don't know. We'll try our best. There's 2 videos up right there, and what we're gonna do this week is show those 2 videos on YouTube. I've been a little hesitant to put it on YouTube because it's copyright music. We're gonna risk it. YouTube, please, please, please don't flag us. I know you will, but please don't. Yeah, this is a short update. We now have a Facebook page, an Instagram page, as well as a TikTok page, and I will explain the 3rd page right after our video for the week. Check it out.
రాజుల కాలం కాదు, రథము గుర్రం లేవు, అద్దం ముందర నాతో నేను యుద్ధం చేస్తాంటే, గాజుల చేతులు చాపి దగ్గరకొచ్చిన నువ్వు, చెంపల్లో చిటికేసి చక్రవర్తిని చేసావే, చిన్నగా చినుకు తుంపరడిగితే కుండ పుటగా తుఫాను తెస్తివే, మాటగా మల్లె పువ్వు నడిగితే ముద్దగా పుల తొటగా పైనొచ్చి పడితివే, బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకొంటివే, జిందగీకే అడ్డపమ్మై జంట కట్టుకొంటివే, వేలి నిండా నన్ను తీసి పట్టు పెట్టుకొంటివే, గాలి కింది పువ్వు నేను నెత్తినట్టుకొంటివే. అడుగు మోపింది పాశమే, విలాపాలున్న విడిదికే కలాపం కదిలి వచ్చనే, గొడుగు పట్టింది గగనమే కదిలి వస్తుంటే వేగమే, దిష్టి తీసింది దీవెనై గణకూష్మాండమే, భుజము మార్చింది భువనమే పరువు మోయంగ బంధమే, స్వాగతించింది చిత్రమై రవి సింధూరమే, వైకుంఠపురములో
Okay, that was it. That's what we did this week. We drew characters from Alla Vaikunthapuramulo. If you don't know what that means, it's a Telugu movie. I'm a big fan of it. Allu, Arjun, if you're watching this, put it in the comments below. Pooja, if you're watching this, put it in the comments below. But we tried that with Charlie. Charlie didn't watch the video. I don't know. Maybe they will. Yeah, cool. We will be making more of that kind of content and put it on TikTok. And the 4th link. The 4th link is Redbubble. From the artistic renderings we made this week, we're going to take that and put it up on Redbubble as stickers for anyone to purchase. And what we're going to do with the profits is we're going to take all the profits and we will donate them. I was thinking specifically UNICEF. There is a humanitarian crisis happening in Yemen and Syria. If you guys have any other charities that you guys have in mind that you guys want to donate to, put it in the comments down below. We will definitely take a look into those as well. If you liked the stuff that we posted on TikTok, and if you've liked this sort of style of content, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Also follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.